Today I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream. Whipped cream that you would put on pumpkin pie that actually has some powdered sugar and vanilla in it. When you buy whipping cream at the store, you can use it for any number of things. It's not sweet when you just buy it, so you might use it to make a sauce or any other number of things that might be savory. But to make sweet whipped cream, which is what we're going to do, you've got your whipped cream in your KitchenAid, love the KitchenAid mixer, right, with the whisk attachment. And then I'm going to use 2 cups of unsweetened whipping cream, and then I'm going to put in 1/3 cup, roughly, of powdered sugar, and roughly a teaspoon of vanilla. You want to start it out slow so it doesn't go all over the place, of course, because it is a liquid. And then I'm just scraping down the side just a little bit because I know there was some powdered sugar there. And now I'm going to turn it up just a bit. So it's not quite done yet. It's still really soft. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm hoping you can. The sun just came out from behind the clouds outside. I'm going to go a little further, but now you've got even slightly stiffer peaks. So that's about perfect. That's just how you want it to be. That's great for pumpkin pie. You can use it to, frost a cake if you want, whatever you want to do. It's ready to go. One thing I will mention about whipped cream is that when you're working with it for a little while, it starts to, maybe you've been working with it for a little while and then it starts to soften up. You can always take just a hand whisk and whisk it some more to bring it back. One other thing you want to note is that if you whisk it too far, you will end up with buttermilk and butter. So always keep an eye on it. Don't walk away. It goes fast. You can do it. Obviously, we did this in less than 4 minutes. So don't walk away. Stay near the bowl. Otherwise, you'll come back very disappointed. So, okay, have a great day.